Did you know that there is a fungus that can turn ants into zombies? The fungus is called Ophiocordyceps unilateralis, and it is one of the most bizarre and terrifying parasites in nature. It infects the brains of carpenter ants, which are ants that live in anthy rainforest and build nests in trees. The fungus has a very clever and sinister way of spreading itself. It waits for an ant to walk by, and then it shoots a tiny spore into its body. The spore travels to the ant's brain, and takes control of it. The fungus makes the ant do things that it would never do normally, such as leaving its nest, walking aimlessly, and climbing to a high place. The fungus also makes the ant bite down on a leaf, and lock its jaws in a death grip. This is the final stage of the infection, and the ant dies soon after. But the fungus is not done yet. It grows out of the ant's head, and forms a long stalk with a bulb at the end. The bulb contains millions of spores, which are ready to be released into the air. The fungus waits for the right conditions, such as humidity and temperature, and then it bursts the bulb and shoots the spores in all directions. The spores can travel up to 10 meters, and infect more ants that are nearby. The fungus can wipe out entire ant colonies this way, and create a graveyard of zombie ants. The fungus is so powerful that it can even manipulate the behavior of other ants. Some ants can sense when their nestmates are infected, and they try to remove them from the nest or bury them. However, the fungus can make the infected ants release chemicals that mask their infection, and trick the other ants into thinking that they are healthy. This way, the fungus can avoid being detected and eliminated, and continue its cycle of infection and reproduction. The fungus is not only a threat to the ants, but also to the ecosystem. The ants play an important role in the rainforest, as they help to decompose organic matter, disperse seeds, and control pests. The fungus disrupts this balance, and reduces the biodiversity and productivity of the forest. The fungus also affects the humans who live in the forest, as they rely on the ants for food, medicine, and income. The fungus is one of the most fascinating and horrifying examples of how nature can evolve and adapt. It is a master of manipulation and deception, and it can turn a living creature into a mindless puppet. It is a zombie maker, and it is real.